Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project. Equip yourself for any die task with the Black Plus Decker 20-volt Max Power Connect cordless drill/driver. This versatile kit includes 30 pieces of bits and accessories for drilling and driving. The compact, lightweight design and ergonomic soft grip handle provide comfort and ease of use, while the 24-position clutch prevents stripping and overdriving screws for added control. The Power Connect battery system allows for interchangeable use with multiple tools, ensuring efficiency and convenience. The set includes the ELD100 20-volt Max Lithium drill/driver, 120-volt Max Lithium-ion battery, a charger, 6 brad point drill bits, 19 screw driving bits, 4 nut drivers, and a magnetic bit tip holder, making it the perfect addition to any toolbox. Elevate your crafting projects with the Dremel 4305/40 high-performance rotary toolkit. This premium kit includes a powerful rotary tool, 5 versatile attachments, and 40 high-quality accessories, all neatly stored in a durable plastic case. The high-performance motor ensures maximum efficiency even in the most demanding tasks, while the variable speed, 5,000–35,000 revolutions per minute, with electronic feedback guarantees consistent performance and precise control. The universal 3-jaw chuck accommodates all Dremel accessory shank sizes, making it highly versatile. The pivot light rotates to illuminate hard-to-reach areas, and the innovative airflow system prevents heat buildup, ensuring smoother, cooler, and quieter operation. With replaceable motor brushes, this tool is designed for longevity. Ideal for grinding, cutting, wood carving, sanding, and engraving. This kit is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. Experience ultimate convenience with the Worx 4-volt electric screwdriver. This rechargeable cordless power screwdriver features a semi-automatic driver that switches between 6 bits with a slide action changer, allowing you to cycle from Phillips to flathead and more with ease. The efficient 4-volt Max Lithium battery holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. The innovative screw holder keeps screws in place, enabling one-handed operation, while the internal rapid reloadable cartridge ensures you never lose a bit. Lightweight at only 1.1 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, reducing hand strain even during prolonged use. The kit includes 6 bits, phone, P2, cell 4, 6, Squone S2, and a charger, making it a must-have for any DI enthusiast. Experience precision and convenience with a DeWalt 8-volt Max cordless screwdriver. This innovative tool features motion-activated variable speed and reversing control, allowing for precise fastening. With a speed range of 0 to 430 revolutions per minute, it's perfect for working with wood, plastic, and light-gauge metal. The built-in LED light illuminates confined areas without casting shadows, while the battery charge status indicator ensures you're always aware of when to recharge. The 1/4-inch hex chuck allows for quick bit changes and securely holds 1-inch bit tips. The powerful 8-volt Max battery pack provides longer runtime and recharges in just 1 hour, making this screwdriver an essential addition to your toolkit. Elevate your precision work with the Fontiki 1 Max 3.7-volt mini electric screwdriver. This sleek aluminum alloy tool is equipped with high torque, 0.2 Nm, and low torque, 0.05 Nm settings, ensuring accurate torque for all your delicate tasks, from electronics to precision instruments. The 50-in-1 magnetic bit set, crafted from durable S2 hardened steel, prepares you for any repair job, securely stored in an elegant magnetic case that delivers a satisfying pop-up experience. With a rechargeable, long-lasting battery capable of driving 400 screws on a full charge and a robust motor reaching up to 200 revolutions per minute, this screwdriver makes hard work effortless. The package includes a mini electric screwdriver, storage case, 50 precision bits, tweezer, pry bar, USB Type-C, charging cable, and a user manual, making it a comprehensive solution for all your DIY needs. Unlock your full die potential with the Hodo Electric Screwdriver Rechargeable Set. Equipped with 5 ultra-tough, rock-solid 12S2 steel bits rated up to 60 HRC. This set is built for maximum durability. The magnetic tip allows for quick bit changes, while the auto one, no shadow circular lead, ensures you work like a master craftsman, even in dimly lit workshops. Whether you're assembling furniture or doing electrical repairs, this is your go-to tool. Weighing just 0.55 pounds, the electric drill offers easy elegance with a double-layered soft grip crafted from tough plastic and thermoplastic elastomer rubber for ultimate comfort. Its frosted aluminum alloy storage box holds all 12 bits, making it super portable. With 3 torque settings: electric mode, maximum 4 Newton meters, manual mode, maximum 8 Newton meters, and a built-in smart sensor, you have total control with just one hand. The 1,500 mAh high-capacity battery drives over 1,000 screws on a single charge and recharges in under 150 minutes via a Type-C port. This all-inclusive kit includes the cordless screwdriver, 12 bits, aluminum storage box, USB Type-C charging cable, and a user manual. Transform your DI projects with this ultimate toolkit. Power through your cutting tasks with the dual 20-volt max circular saw. Featuring a robust 5,150 revolutions per minute motor, this saw delivers the power and speed needed to tackle the most demanding cuts effortlessly. The high-strength, lightweight magnesium shoe ensures long-term cut accuracy and durability on the job site. With an optimized rubber over-molded comfort grip, you achieve superior balance and control. The 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity allows for aggressive bevel cuts for various applications, while the 6½ inch carbide-tipped blade provides excellent cutting performance, capable of handling 2 by material at both 90 and 45 degrees, offering more cuts per charge. Designed for efficiency and precision, this bare tool is a must-have addition to your tool collection. Enhance your DI projects with the Avid Power 20-volt max lithium-ion cordless drill set. Featuring a real-time battery level display, this drill keeps you informed of its power status at all times. With a 15+1 position clutch providing precise torque control, 280 inch-pounds, you can easily drive screws and drill into wood, ceramics, plastics, and even metal. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and reduces fatigue, while the variable speed, 0 to 550 revolutions per minute, with electric brake function offers precise operation. The included flexible shaft reaches hard to access places, and the LED light illuminates dark working areas. This versatile kit includes 10 drill bits, 10 driver bits, an extension bar, and a magnetic flexible shaft, making it perfect for any project. Enhance your woodworking projects with the Bosch Prier 20EVs router tool. This powerful palm router features a 1.0 horsepower, 5.6 amp motor, offering variable speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute for precise and demanding applications. Conveniently designed with a straight-edge guide and an angled cord exit, the durable aluminum fixed base provides solid, precise support, while unique finger support pockets add stability, especially when trimming edges. Its precision is unmatched with a fast and accurate depth adjustment system and a quick clamp system for easy motor adjustments. The Prier 20EVs also offers enhanced bit capacity, accepting bits up to 1 5/16 inches in diameter, and a versatile bit changing system for quick and easy changes using 2 wrenches or a spindle lock. Ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts, this tool is designed to deliver superior performance and reliability. Conquer any cleaning task with the Stanley Wet/Dry Vacuum. With a large 22-liter capacity, this vacuum makes small cleanup jobs a breeze, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. Powered by a 4-peak horsepower motor, it provides the suction power needed for any cleanup job, from your vehicle and job site to your workshop, garage, basement, and home. Its 3-in-1 functionality allows you to vacuum wet spills, dry debris, and even use the blower port to clear leaves. With over 16 feet of cleaning reach, including a 6-foot hose and 10-foot power cord, and 4 swivel casters, this vacuum offers convenient and easy maneuverability. The package includes a super flexible hose, 3 extension wands, a gulper nozzle, floor nozzle, crevice nozzle, foam filter, dust bag, reusable dry filter, and a 12-month warranty. Thank you for watching. We strive to bring you quality content every day. Our dedicated team, including video editors, screenwriters, designers, and content managers, works hard to create the best experience for you. See you in the next video.